Yeah, Mark, don't blow the smoke. The smoke is supposed to come to you.
Why? The smoke has to come to me for what reason?
There are advantages of the smoke. If the smoke comes to you, you get clever. You get clever.
So the smoke comes to me.
Yes, because you know, these are trees. Trees are made out of many things. There are organics here and everything. When you burn, the things they come to you.
Yes, ngiyokubulawela ngale ntuthu.
Angimibulali kodwa ngiyakufundisela lo mlungu. Lo mlungu ngiyakufundisela. Engahlakaniphi lo mlungu nawenza kanjani?
Silwane, stand aside. Mark, whenever you are with Silwane,
Yeah.
and
You listen to me. You don't listen to me.
listen, oh Jehovah, Silwane, give me a
Okay,
chance.
yabona,
You're supposed to say to hamba late inkomo tidlale and point that to Silwane.
And Tutu, you must run that side. I don't know.
Exactly.
I didn't hear the rest of what you said, but something
To hamba late inkomo tidlale.
Don't do like
Point
this.
that to Silwane.
Please, no.
Come to me, Mike. Come to me. Nditholele umlungu wami uyamhlupha.
Lo mlungu uyatrainela lo msapho lo mlungu uyamtraina lo mlungu manje ukuthi